Introducing from Hose, the revolutionary enhancement to central vacuum technology. Everyone agrees that central vacuum systems have time-tested advantages over traditional vacuum cleaners. Central vac systems have greater cleaning power, improve your home's air quality, are quieter, and are more convenient. With the Hose system, the vacuum hose is stored inside the system's pipes and is removed quickly and easily for quick or thorough cleanups. Here's how it works. Each outlet has a hose cleverly hidden within the system's own vacuum tubing. Since you do not need to carry or store the hose, the Hose system allows you to use much longer hoses, thus reducing the number of outlets needed in a typical home by half. When you're ready to vacuum, just remove the amount of hose you need, engage the hose lock, connect the remote-controlled handle, and begin vacuuming. When you're finished, disconnect the handle, release the hose lock, and the suction from the central vacuum machine retracts the hose back out of sight. Then you simply carry your handle to the next outlet. The Hose system can be installed in out-of-the-way or out-of-sight locations, such as cupboards and alcoves, or at convenient height levels to reduce bending.
I have used a central vacuum system for over 10 years. Recently, we installed a Hose system in our new home. I love my Hose system because it's faster and it's more convenient, so my house stays cleaner.
The revolutionary Hose system is a must for any central vacuum cleaner. To find out more about the unique Hose system, talk to your authorized Hose central vacuum dealer.